Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the most confusing topic of the English grammar, active to passive voice. First of all, we know what is the structure of active voice. For the active voice, we have subject, verb and object. In other words, in a sentence where our main emphasis is on subject is known as active voice, and the sentence in which our main emphasis is on object is known as passive voice. There are certain rules. If we follow, then the confusion of understanding the active and passive voice will be clear. First of all, we have to change the object into subject without any change. Simply put the object in the place of subject. The next case is we have to add some changes. We have to do some changes. Which changes are there? Number 3, we have to add always verb third form plus by. And number 4, we have to change our subject into object, but remember this again and again, we have to use the case of the subject in an objective case. Like you are using your subject in the place of object, so you have to put the objective case of that subject. Next, the changes are verb 1 do or does will change into is, am, are. Verb 2 will always or did will always go with was, were. Will be transferred into will be. Will have been. Has and have will change in has have been. Had will also go in had been, and verb 4, which is verb 1 plus ing, will be changed into been. And there are two things which will go with no change. Was, is, am, are, were will always remain unchanged. There will be no change with these. We have 8 tenses that follow the active and passive voice rule. The remaining 4 tenses are future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous, which have no passive voice. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.